Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will help you connect your Virgin Media Wi-Fi pod to boost your home internet. First, make sure your Virgin Media hub is switched on and online. Next, download and sign into the Virgin Media Connect app on your phone. Finally, unbox your new Wi-Fi pod and find a good power socket. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Optimal placement is key for your Wi-Fi pod's performance. Position it approximately halfway between your main Virgin Media hub and the area experiencing poor signal. Always plug the pod directly into a wall socket. Avoid using extension leads, as they can interfere with power delivery. Ensure the pod is kept upright and away from large furniture or damp locations for the best signal propagation. Connecting your pod is straightforward. Once plugged in, allow about 10 minutes for it to power up and begin connecting to your hub. A solid white light on the pod signifies a successful link. If you see a pulsing green light, it is still starting up. You can then use the Virgin Media Connect app to add the pod and check its signal strength, ensuring it's working effectively. If your pod isn't connecting, don't worry. If the light pulses or remains red, try moving it slightly closer to your hub. Should issues persist, restart both your Virgin Media hub and the Wi-Fi pod. Remember, it can take up to 24 hours for the pod to fully optimize its performance and provide the best possible Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.